Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these cute teddy bear hair clips. Let's get started. First, we will make a slip knot. Like this. Now we will chain 10. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will skip the 2 chains and in the third chain we will do 2 double crochets here. Here we will do 2 double crochets. First double crochet like this. Pull through. Now pull through the 2 loops. Now pull through the rest of the 2 loops. This is the first double crochet. Now this is our second double crochet. We made 2 double crochets in the one chain. Okay, and now we will make 1 double crochet in the next chain like this. Again we are going to make a total of 6 double crochets here. 1 double crochet in each stitch like this. Now in the last chain we will make 6 double crochets all together. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and now the last one, 6 double crochet. See, we make 6 double crochets in one chain. Now we will make 1 double crochet in the next stitch here. Here we will make 1 double crochet. We will make total 6 double crochets. 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and last 6 double crochet. We make total 6 double crochets. Now in this last chain we will make total of 4 double crochets in the same stitch. 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and last 4 double crochet. Now we will slip stitch here. We did 2 chains in the start, so we will do slip stitch here in the second chain before the first double crochet. Now for round 2, chain 2 and make 2 double crochets in the same stitch here. Now we will do 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Here we will do 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, Now we will do 6 double crochets in the next 6 stitches. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and last 6 double crochet. Now we will make 2 double crochets in the same next stitch. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now in next stitch 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now again in the next stitch 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. We will do a total of 6 times. This increase a total of 6 times. Now we will do 6 double crochets in the next 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. Now we will do 2 double crochets in the same stitch for 4 times. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now in the next stitch 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now for the third time 1 double crochet, same stitch, 2 double crochet. Now in the last chain 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now we will slip stitch in the chain here. Now row 2 is done. See, now we will do row 3. We will slip stitch here and here. We did 2 slip stitches, and now in the next chain we will do 5 double crochets together. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and last 5 double crochet. Now we will slip stitch in the next 8 chains. 1 slip stitch like this. Now we will do a total of 8 slip stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now in the next chain we will do 5 double crochets together. 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and the last one 5. Now we will do 2 slip stitches in the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now cut the yarn. Look, our teddy bear is done. Now we will hide the ends using a needle. We'll hide both the ends. Sew it from here. Now pass the needle from this chain and now pass the needle from this chain and hide the tail like this. Now cut the excess yarn. Now we will hide the other tail. Stitch it here like this. See. Now hide the tail. Now cut the excess yarn. Look, our teddy is ready. Now we are going to make the mouth of the teddy bear here like this using yellow yarn. Now take a yarn end and make a magic ring like this. Now make 7 single crochets in the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close the magic ring by pulling the yarn like this. Now slip stitch in the first single crochet. So that it looked like a circle. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide both the tail ends using a needle. Look, now we will make the nose of the teddy bear using green yarn. Take a piece of green yarn and use needle to make the nose. Sew the nose on this yellow circle like this. Here. Now here in the center. Now we will tie both the ends in the back. Don't worry, this will tie the yarn ends together and cut the yarn. Don't worry, this will tie it like this and cut off the excess yarn. Now we will glue the nose and eyes on the teddy bear. I am going to make the eyes of the teddy bear. I am using this glue. For the eyes, I am using these stickers. I am going to glue these stickers on the teddy bear. In India, we call it bindi. A little bit of glue so that it sticks on the teddy forever. Our clip is ready. Now I am going to glue this clip at the back side of the teddy bear, and I'm using felt sheet in the background. You can use alligator clips or these normal clips. For now I'm using this normal clip. For now I have cut this felt sheet, and now I'm going to show you how to glue the clip at the back of the teddy bear. We will attach the clip to the felt sheet like this. Now we will glue it like this at the back side. Only this part of the clip will be visible. Press it a bit harder to glue it properly on the teddy bear so it will stick there forever. Look, our cute teddy bear hair clips are ready. Done. Look, I made one more and I used alligator clip here. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.